Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Isn't it true that to get a great night rest, you need to regulate your body temperature? Let me show you how this mattress topper from Sleep and Beyond has been a game changer. We've been loving this organic merino wool mattress topper. This is great for body support. I love the fact that it's real merino wool, so this is great for all year round. This provides so much comfort, and I love the fact that the outer shell, it's 100% cotton. So if you suffer from any allergy reactions related to the material used in your mattress, then this will definitely be a great fit for you. This is super comfortable, and I love the fact that it prevents overheating. So you're not going to be waking up at the middle of the night sweaty, but you're going to be literally resting like a baby. I love the fact too that it quickly wicks away moisture. So this is going to be super ideal if you tend to be very cold or very hot at night. I love also the fact that it has these straps, since it allows it to stay in its place without moving anywhere. I would highly recommend this to all my friends and my relatives. We have been loving it. So no more tossing and turning with this mattress topper. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.